Yes, okay.
Hello friends, let's go on an animal adventure. Let's listen and guess what sound the animal make. Who's that in the field? It's a cow. The cow says moo. Can you say moo?
Yes, Mom.
Look, a friendly dog. The dog says woof. Let's bark together. Woof.
Woof, woof.
Here comes a soft furry cat. The cat says meow. Can you meow like a cat?
Meow.
Quack quack. Who is splashing in the water?
Quack, quack.
The duck says quack quack. Let's quack together.
Quack, quack.
What's that fluffy animal on the hill? The sheep says ba ba. Can you say ba?
Baba.
Wow, look at that big lion. The lion says roar. Let's roar like lions.
Roar.
Who is having fun in the mud? The pig. Pig says oink oink. Can you oink like a pig?
Oink, oink.
Who is swinging in the trees? The monkey. The monkey says whoop whoop. Aha. Let's be silly monkey.
Oh, oh, ah, ah.
The sun is setting. Who is awake at night? The owl. The owl says hoo. Can you hoot like an owl?
Hoo, hoo.
What's that jumping by the pond? The frog. Frog says ribbit, ribbit. Frog says
Ribbit, ribbit.
what a fun day. Let's remember our animal friends. Moo. Woof. Meow. Quack. Ba. Roar. Oink. Woo woo. Woo. Ribbit, ribbit. Great job, little explorer. See you next time for more animal fun.
Please like, share and subscribe. Tata.